Looking for the best bullet blender of 2025? In this video, we'll compare the NinjaFit NutriBullet Magic Bullet and NutriBullet Rx to find out which one stands out in performance, convenience, and value. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Stick around to discover which blender is perfect for your kitchen. Number 1. NinjaFit. It stands out in our review with its impeccable performance and solid construction. Its 700-watt motor provides enough power for a range of blending tasks without veering into professional-grade complexity. It excelled in our tests, effortlessly handling drinks and dips, and the dual blending cups with leak-proof lids impressed us with their thoughtful design and quality. One drawback is the lack of an on-off switch, requiring users to press down the jar to operate, which limits multitasking. Despite this, the NinjaFit remains a top choice for those seeking a reliable bullet blender. However, for busy home cooks wanting added convenience, the NutriBullet Rx offers features like hands-free timed blending, making it a worthwhile investment for streamlining meal prep. Number 2. NutriBullet Magic Bullet. It has earned its place as a beloved bullet blender, known for its iconic design, reliable performance, and budget-friendly price. Its multiple blending cups make it particularly handy for food prep, especially when preparing meals for guests, adding to its versatility and appeal. However, the Magic Bullet's low wattage motor means longer blending times to achieve desired consistency. While this can be a minor inconvenience, it's offset by the included accessories that enhance its overall utility. For those on a tight budget, the Magic Bullet remains a dependable choice for regular use. That said, if you're willing to invest slightly more, the NinjaFit offers significantly better blending performance and efficiency, making it a worthwhile upgrade for those seeking speed and power. Number 3. NutriBullet Rx. It takes bullet blending to the next level with its innovative features and powerful performance. A standout aspect is its ability to handle both hot and cold recipes, offering remarkable versatility that sets it apart from traditional bullet blenders. Paired with a thoughtfully designed hardbound recipe book that includes quizzes and color-coordinated recipes, this blender feels like an all-in-one kitchen assistant. During testing, the RX impressed us with its high-powered motor, effortlessly pulverizing ingredients to create exceptionally creamy smoothies. The best among all the products we evaluated. Its ability to seamlessly blend soups, sauces, and smoothies makes it a great choice for those who enjoy experimenting with a variety of recipes. However, there is a learning curve. The operation of the hot and cold functions, as well as assembling its larger components, can initially be a bit overwhelming. Once familiar, though, these features prove invaluable. For those not planning to leverage the temperature capabilities or who prefer a more straightforward and affordable option, the NutriBullet Magic Bullet offers a simpler and budget-friendly alternative without sacrificing reliable performance. So, which one takes the crown? After comparing all three, the NutriBullet Rx wins for its powerful motor and versatility. If you're looking for a top-tier performance, this one's for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.